Hey guys, it's Miss Chelsea. We are going to do some warm-ups today. We are going to start with the V, just to get the breath and the energy moving nice and steady. So it goes like this. You go now keep going. Excellent. So now we are going to merge from the V into an E vowel. So it's going to go like this. V, V. Great, and I show you the keyboard so that you can get an idea of where it is in your range. So sometimes we might start a little bit higher or lower, or go higher or lower than what you're used to. And so just do what works for you and your voice. All right, so now this one is the woo. This one, I love this one because you just throw it away. It's like a little siren. Woo, woo. And I went that high, not because I sing that high, I do not sing that high, but I have some students that have some crazy, ridiculously high whistle tone, so I did that for them way up there. All right, so now this is go, 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 and so just watch your jaw on this one. Go, 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 go. And now this next one is BEE-DEE, 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 BEE. 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 Great. Now this one is specifically for belting. This is cam-cat, one of my personal favorites. So it's cam-cat, cam-cat, cam-cat. Excellent. So that's kind of the lunchbox version of some of the basic warm-ups that we do here at the music school, especially for females. That range is good for them. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Have an awesome day. Go kick some butt. And if you're new to this and some of these warm-ups, if you're not from around here, the music school, then please enjoy them and learn from them, and feel free to ask any questions that you have. So, all right, see ya.